So are you tired of side hustle that drain your time and pay next to nothing? In the world filled with dropshipping, affiliate links, and survey sites, forex trading is quite becoming the most powerful online side hustle in 2025. And you don't need to be a great mathematician to become a forex trader, because I have some students that keep complaining that, man, guy, I need to be a great mathematician to be successful in the forex trading. My guy, you don't need all of that. It's just a strategy and psychology. Those two things are the things that will possibly make you successful in the forex market. In this video, I'm going to break down why forex is the best side hustle, and even if you've never traded a day in your life. Possibly after this video, you might find another new side hustle to dive into. We need to know what forex trading is really all about, right? Now, first and first, forex simply means foreign exchange. It's the world's biggest financial market, where currencies like US dollars, euro, Japanese yen are constantly being bought. It's the forex market that actually determines the rate of your currency. So drop the country you are possibly watching from in the comment section. Let's have some good and clear conversation. Over $7 trillion is being traded daily in the forex market. Let's say on Monday, $7 trillion go down, Tuesday, $7 trillion go down, Wednesday, $7 trillion go down, and you are supposed to tap from this cool lot of cash that is going down the forex market. Isn't it? That is why I'm here to help you. If you want to join my community, all you need to do is subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You can join my Telegram community, and you can also join my mentorship class. It's just as simple as that. Now, one of the biggest reasons forex is dominating the side hustle scene in 2025 is this: barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need a degree in finance, you don't need to build a website, run ads, or buy expensive equipment. All you really need is a smartphone, internet access, and a small starting capital, maybe possibly as little as $20 to possibly $100. That is it. My understood. Getting started is also super easy. Just sign up with a trusted broker, download trading app like MetaTrader 5, and you are good to go. Some brokers even offer demo account, and if you want to know the broker that I'm using, click the link at the description. You will find the broker that I'm using right there, and they will give you 50% discount if you use the link at the description below. So they provide you with demo accounts, risk-free, so you can practice before using your real money. Now compare that to other side hustles. Dropshipping needs inventory and marketing, content creation, and need time and editing. While forex, on the other hand, learn fast and scalable. And the best part of forex trading is that you can even start learning, whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or someone just looking to earn more. Forex gives you a chance to enter the financial world without the traditional barriers. That is why it's one of the smartest side hustles of this generation. Time flexibility. Okay, let's be real. Most side hustles still demand your time or someone else's schedule. Now in forex, you are the boss of your clock. Even if you want to use AI content creator, you still need more time. You still need time to be there. But in forex trading, all you just need to do, analyze the charts, get into the market, and leave it to play out. You can trade any time that you want, and you can make some cool lot of money the way you want. The forex market runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, thanks to overlapping global trading seasons from Tokyo, London, and New York. That means you can trade before work, during your lunch break, late at night, or even while traveling. There is always a market open somewhere, giving you full flexibility to trade when it fits your time. Unlike a part-time job that locks you into shifts, or e-commerce that demands customer service at all hours, forex lets you decide when and how long you want to be active in the market. Want to spend an hour on the weekend learning price action? Do it. You are in control. This makes forex one of the few side hustles that works around your lifestyle, not the other way around. Now, high profit potential. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know. How much money can you actually make in the forex market? The truth is, forex trading offers one of the highest earning potential of online trading side hustle when done right. Because of leverage, even small account can control large trade size. For example, with just $100, you can trade position worth $10,000 depending on your broker. And that means small price movement can translate into real profit. Here is the key. It's not about gambling big, it's about consistency and compounding. Now, let's say you're in for just 2% per day. That may not sound like much, but over time, it adds up fast. Now, with proper risk management and discipline, a small account can grow significantly in just a few months. And if you get funded by a pro firm. That is a whole new level. Go watch my pro firm videos where I talk about pro firm and how pro firm works and the pro firms you need to get. You can check the video up here. You could be trading a $50,000 or $100,000 account and keep up to 90% to 95% of the profit without risking your own personal capital. Now let's talk about this. Why every hustle has its risk. Forex gives you the power to scale up fast, turning side hustle energy into life-changing income. Learnable skill. Here is something that separates Forex from most online side hustle ideas. It is skill, not trend. You are not chasing the next viral product or waiting for social media algorithm to bless your content. Forex is about learning how to read the markets, understand patterns, manage your emotions, and make calculated decisions. And guess what? Someone can learn it. You don't need a finance degree. With the right resources like YouTube tutorial, free trading community, or even mentorship program, the link is right at the description. Join my mentorship program. Very, very important. You can start from zero and build real trading skills step by step. It's just like learning to ride a bike or play an instrument. At first, it feels confusing, but with practice and consistency, you get better. You start seeing setups clearly, you stop guessing and start strategizing. And the best part, once you learn it, no one can take it away from you. It becomes a lifetime skill that can generate income from anywhere in the world, anytime you want. So if you are tired of side hustles that depend on luck, Forex gives you real power through real knowledge. Low overhead, no inventory. Let's be honest, most online side hustles come with hidden headaches. Start an e-commerce store. You need to deal with suppliers, shipping, customer service, and returns. Go into affiliate marketing or content creation. You need funnels, tools, hosting, ads, and a whole lot of time, and you'll keep spending money over and over again on those things. But with Forex, there is no inventory, no shipping, no customer complaints, and all you need is a device, a stable internet connection, and a trading account. That is it. There are no physical products to manage and no recurring expenses beyond maybe a data subscription or chatting software. Even those are optional when starting out. All the trading platforms or chatting software are completely free. You are not selling anything. You are simply trading currency pairs based on your analysis. It's just you and the market. This makes Forex one of the leanest business models out there. No employees, no warehouse, no ads, no overhead costs that eat into your profit. Am I understood? It's all digital, all clean, and all under your control. If you're looking for a side hustle that doesn't demand much setup or monthly maintenance, Forex keeps things simple and scalable. And that is what you need in 2025 or a year to come. Whenever you're seeing this video, work from anywhere. One of the most underrated superpowers of Forex trading is this. You can literally work from anywhere in the world. No commutes, no office, no need to show up for a shift or wait on clients' calls. As long as you have your smartphones or laptop and a decent internet connection, you are in business already. You could be trading from your bedroom, a coffee shop, at the airport, even while chilling on a beach in any part of the world. People really do that a lot. So in 2025, remote work is more common than ever. But Forex takes it to the next level. It's not just remote, it's borderless. You are not tied on any location, boss, or even a specific time zone. If you are in Nigeria, you can trade during the London or New York section. This makes Forex perfect for students with unpredictable schedules, 9-to-5 workers looking to build a second income, parents balancing family life, or even travelers wanting to earn on the go. No physical presence needed, no meetings, no approvals. You are in full control. Just you, your strategy, on the market. And in a world where freedom is becoming the new wealth, the ability to earn from anywhere is not just convenient, it's powerful. That is why more and more people are choosing Forex not just as side hustle, but as a lifestyle and as a wealth generating system. So if you find value in the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, join my Telegram community, join the mentorship class, and I'm telling you today, you will never regret it. Let's go and make this money together, and you'll possibly thank me later. And see you in the next video. Peace.